Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by setting the foundation. Install Python 3, 10 or newer and confirm it runs. Once done, open a lightweight editor and create a project folder so files stay organized. Make a virtual environment and activate it to isolate dependencies, and then install formatting and test tools like Black and Pytest. This prevents future conflicts. Now you can write your first script file, hello, Py, and run it immediately to confirm your environment works, because a working setup saves time later. You now design the core. Break bro code into small functions such as greet, advise, and warn so each does one job. Use data classes to store user state and include type hints to make code self-documenting. This helps when you return later. Once you implement logic, add unit tests for every function and run Pytest often to catch regressions. As you code, refactor duplicated logic into helpers and apply Black formatting so the project stays readable and consistent. You finalize by adding a simple CLI using argparse or typer so users can run bro code from the terminal, include flags like config and dry run. Next, create pip-reject, toml or setup, CFG, and build a source distribution and wheel to share or install locally. Once packaged, test installation in a fresh virtualenv. If something breaks, run the test suite, recreate the venv, and read the traceback carefully. Often the issue is a missing dependency or a typo in imports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.